We are in the kitchen of the Eden House Bed and Breakfast in Prineville, Oregon. This is a shot outside the kitchen. That is the coconut milk that's in the container, and it's waiting one of 3 different acids that I'm going to have the owner of this place choose so that she can have her dairy-free sour cream. Told her about the recipe, she almost went ballistic. So she's been dairy-free, gluten-free forever. She's going through an all-natural diet, and well, watch what we're going to do with these ingredients here. Next will be the video of me making it.
Go.
Hey, so I'm here with the owner now, and I've had her select what she wanted to use for the acids. And since it's 2 tablespoons of one of these 3, or 1 tablespoon of 2 of these 3, so 2 tablespoons, but she's chosen 1 of the lime and 1 tablespoon of the lemon. So that's what we'll be doing. 1 tablespoon lemon, 1 tablespoon lime. It could have been lime and vinegar. It could have been the lemon and vinegar. It could have just been all vinegar. It could have been all lemon, and it could have been all lime. But it's 2 tablespoons of it. That's the important thing to remember. And so what I'm going to do now is, since I already kind of know what 2 tablespoons is, so I'm going to go ahead and squeeze 1 tablespoon of the lemon in there, and then I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of the lime. And then what we're going to do now is I'm going to give it a good stir. And then we're going to let it sit for at least 12 hours at room temperature. So what you're going to want to do is not cover it with saran wrap. You want to cover it with a paper towel or something like that. You can even cover it with a regular towel, but it has to be able to breathe, but you don't want insects in it. So whatever you can find that will do that for you, please do that. But no saran wrap, no lid yet. But after at least 12 hours, it should be thickened. It can take up to 24 hours, depends on what room temperature is where you are. However, it's worth it. It's going to be vegan sour cream with only 2 ingredients, this time 3, but normally 2 ingredients. And your guests and everybody will enjoy it and love it forever. So we'll go ahead and stop now, and we'll come back later and show you the finished product. Cheers.